Doc, you see, this is another matter where we say it dey worry my heart. You know, you know when Buhari dey come, Buhari, this man, show that man face, make I show am, show that in strong face, we'll see. Thank you very much. You, when you dey come, the campaign, that time fuel na how much? They listen to man no go. They listen to me. Fuel na how much? 85 naira. You call enter. Things wey dey mad come begin dey hard. Because they think okay for a change to take place, you need to face some kind of hardship. Because it's okay, you want change things. Corruption. You want change things. Now we don't wait. Now you don't shock the full Nigeria, both home and abroad. You don't shocktalize everybody. Buhari. Now you don't go around all your APC members, everybody they support you. Buhari is coming to make a change, make it this, make it that. You only you one na president, only you one na minister of petroleum. For VFAO from Nigeria. So because if the president you collect your power, you collect everything, you put under your armpit, anybody you like, you press here, to you conquer. Because if the president. Now, where we say people they cry, people they mad, people they cry. The thing we pay me pass, we say corona come, people the palliative stuff and no share, people suffer. You know, people some people say they do farm. Water don't carry their farm, their crops don't die, they don't gain anything. People who they try to survive because I know the health situation. Now you can't go increase fuel price again, cause the subsidy on top. Even though your heart now stone, the point what I know your shit and small make you come off for that because now people in the lead. No, because that time people they trek for you. People they say some people they trek for Lagos, go Kaduna, so they trek go Abuja. I should say some trek come up for Nigeria. Trek come back, say you win. Now we don't increase the fuel price. Their own price is different. Don't be the same price all of us they buy. See, Nigeria, you don't tell all these people to shine our eye. Nobody say because we are glass. No, if you don't no back me for this matter. Nobody they shine our eye. Fake promise. All the people they come and fake promise they give us. Fake promise. Fake. See, remove this my face because they provoke. Remove the face. No, for Nigeria, which kind of treat this one now? We will go there whole country. We will get everything. When they suffer, even upon the suffer, they see the oppressors on top. They see the oppressors on top. No, if I say no, they do anything, no. But this one first, I know say there's some people anybody will need to paralyze in leg. If na neck you want hold. If na leg, you know what kind doing. If na ear, make sure say na one ear na remain. Go, Joko. You know the joke for you. Yes, so my people now so they be. People know they do well. Now they swear this swear give. If you know say you know they do well, now me say this swear, this swear will meet you. But if they do well, you don't get any fear. You don't get any fear. Joko, as we continue. Wow. Joko. This country they plenty people dey where you go swear, one go carry take swear give them. You know the new chief, they don't bring new chief of army staff or bring new one. The old one they say in name now Buratai. Which kind of name Buratai? The name say resemble first we come up from Boko Haram. So man like us, they say you not qualify for that position. They can't remove you, demote you, remove you. The same people say you not qualify, you know they do well. Like they can't appoint you as ambassador. Now maybe they want to pay me. Now the new one where they don't appoint, say some millions of money where they are assigned to buy weapons. You know see them. I better show me that Buratai that in war face mo see. Ogafa, the money where it is. Because Ofe will not dey waste time for you. I go take, if na year I want to swear, all your year go condemn. Now, tell us. No, you no good now. See as you dey. The money, they give you money to buy weapons to protect the nation, protect the people. Now the money come lost under your administration, under your care. They remove you. You don't talk about the money. Now the new person will come. Now when they talk about say the money don't lost. Now, everything that they joke for this country. Full money they give you, the money they put up for your back. They put up for back. Say so because stealing. No, now. You guys can't even know what makes sense. Forget say yes or forget. No. No. Follow me look into this matter. Show that Buhari face make we see again. That no, Buhari, all these things they happen on. Oh God. All these things they happen under your government. Now you they appoint. Now you they appoint. Now you they demote. Now you they promote. Now you they do everything they under your care. Anybody do you conquer. Because now you get anybody you lick you conquer. We know who the conquer no pay, you go kill her. No now. You know they get pity. Now you know they say you get action. You get action way. Now you know feel need this brata of a man. Now you will demote him. You see look and say me hungry, no beat me a family. You see appoint as ambassador. Now you know feel provide money when you give him to buy weapon wey they take protect even you. Now the new person don't come. All of una, the thing they pay me part be say all of una Senate president, show me face abeg. My brother, see how you dey. You know, oh God, una just dey there. All of una just dey there like una no dey see, but una dey see. Una dey see comot eye because all of una dey into the same corruption. Now you dey like that now. If na big to find boys who dey smoke igbo, more na dey in prison, una go dey catch them. Yahoo boys na dey catch them. New EFCC chairman, nothing. Una dey find small Yahoo boys for street, people wey dey hustle, people wey dey steal revenue money, this money wey dey take do important thing for the nation, people wey dey shop am, una dey see corona, no dey fit do anything. If you just see the one thing they told the thing, they boy, they pay me. They pay me. Now, you know, this week, now swear, now come swear. Burata, if you know where the money they go bring out, Burata. So I pour enough for you. If you know where the money they you know bring out this one, you go. Maybe your ear, you go the boy go down, you done that person go call shop and come out. That one concern you. Well, the new one where they appoint, you try. Because now some people, they'll color be you. You know, talk and say, money they miss. But this one, you get small courage, you get small heart. You know, among all these people, and person will get heart what I like. Maybe say, I don't know, real or mockery. Show that man face for you. Now, if you don't see this man, you go bless him. This man I come and say, no, this kind of thing what they do for this country no good. I go talk say full money what they give you to take buy weapon, they lost. Now this man come outside for him Twitter page, come write say, no, this is too much, you no good for this country. No let this man they try. Because they say Buhari get this man heart now times 4 Buhari you know. The man he get hurt. Yes. Kudos. If they say we get plenty people like you, maybe Nigeria for all the better. They come and they tell the truth. And I hear say they help people too. Keep up with the good work. You know easy. Keep up. To those who say they swear never you, the new one where they appoint, where you find say yes, the money they lost true. You know mention the amount to just say millions. But whether any I won't be, you don't try. But if you know planned, joy make this money come outside. If you do one go reach amo. And Buhari, I don't want to swear for you because plenty people do. No, you only afraid me. I no afraid we If we say make we carry swear come, we don't see swear wey dey line before our own swear go reach you, eh? Maybe we no see you, our own swear no reach you. So may carry the swear they swear for you, they go. You know? This is no good. This is not for country wey be say citizens they suffer. If you go some places for Nigeria, you go see people, you go dey like people wey kwashiorkor no hold them. So na hunger. You just see some people, you see the way some people dey, you dey pity for them. Just imagine if I make money for this, you know, I see they go to give people. Oh God. Yes, this one is to show appreciation, you know. The people wey we dey pray for, say make they succeed for their hustle. You know, people wey dey hustle, as they hustle, you know, when their success come, we dey come thank you, sir, because you know easy. You know easy. They take am. I will show that in house. Wow. You see, now this kind of thing we want make it happen for the nation. Youth wey dey hustle, make they succeed. See house where young millionaire. Yes, you know they suffer government. You know they suffer anybody. See, remove Donja Zion. Small boy, where they come? Fire boy, where they come? See house we build. You know, these are the kind things we make it happen. Maybe say our papa they will be say they don't dey position. We say they supposed to do things so they make us, they motivate us, and they come they thief money. No, see, young go and see what they are making life. The one will pay me, the one will sweet me pass. The young one will come up for Big Brother, Nengi. I mean, 23 years. She's now a landlady. No, this, you know, when this thing happen, you know, these are people who say, would they talk, would they pray to you to, you know, bless them. Because they also show that Nengi house. Oh yeah. You see, now what do they told me? This is what they told me. This things like this now they appreciate. Things like this now they appreciate. Not be people with they thief money. Any other there be young people they also. They are making it. Now this kind of thing they appreciate. You know. More leave matter for next week. All those who don't forget to those who don't swear give. You carry their pocket, go give them. Thank you very much, Ofedioko. I shall be here again. I remain your humble servant, Mr. Sugar, and I see the V. For today, I'm signing out. And